Ready. Okay, so this is a practice problem on the bottom of page 312. The problem says 2 ropes are attached to a point and pulled on with the directions and magnitudes shown. What is the resultant force on the point? So we will do this problem just like the others. You've got basically two problems here that you need to put together. So we will draw our first triangle, 58 degrees and 40. We need to figure out x and y. We'll draw our second triangle, 22 degrees with x and y, and it's 30 units long. So we'll come back to this first one. Opposite over hypotenuse, sine. So we have sine of 58 degrees equals y over 40. So 40 sine of 58 equals y. We'll put that into our calculator. 40 sine of 58, and we get 33.92. Okay, then we'll do cosine. Cosine of 58 equals x over 40. So 40 cosine 58 is x. So put that into your calculator. And you should get 21.197. Okay, so the x is going to the left, so it's going in the negative direction. So negative 21.2 right. It's negative though. And then the y is going up, so plus 33.92 up. That's our rectangular equation, rectangular coordinates for the first part. Now let's do the second part. We'll do the sine of 22 is y over 30. 30 sine of 22 equals y. So y equals 11.24. And we'll do cosine of 22 equals x over 30. 30 cosine of 22 is x. And we get x equals 27.82. Okay, in this case, x is going to the right and y is going up, so they are positive and positive. So you have 27.82 to the right plus 11.24 up. Now we just are going to put these together. So 27.82 r plus 11.24 u. Put them together. 27.82 minus 21.2, we get 6.62 to the right. And then when we put these together, we get 45.16 u. So there is our answer in rectangular coordinates. The last thing we need to do is take those rectangular coordinates and put them into polar coordinates. So this is 6.62 to the right, and then we have 45.16 units up. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. We want to go this way. Let me make sure, am I doing this right? Let me just think about it for a second. We want to figure out what that angle is. They're both going, it's to the right and up. So actually, I did it wrong again. So it should be like this. We want to know what theta is. This is 45.16. This is a right angle. So we want to do 6.62 squared plus 45.16 squared equals c squared. So 6.62 squared plus 45.16 squared is 2,083.25. So C equals the square root of 2,083.25. So C equals 45.6. Now we just need to find theta. We'll use tangent, opposite over adjacent. Tangent theta equals 45.16 over 6.62. Okay, so tangent theta equals 6.82. We do inverse tangent. So theta is 81.7. So our final answer is going to be 45.6 with a degree of 81.7. So 81.7 degrees. And there's your answer.